Ukrainian troops are breaking through Russian defenses near Verbov, in western Zaporizhia Oblast. Ukrainians remains in contact with Russian troops at Novoprokopivka and Verbov. As fighting continues, Russian occupation authorities report that limited evacuations have begun from Tokmak. Russian officers evacuate their families from Tokmak because the city cannot be held, reports Ukrinform. And as for Tokmak, it's clear it will be the biggest battle of the war because Tokmak is the first to the finish where neither side can afford to fail. Tokmak is really close now for the Ukrainian forces, and from Tokmak, Ukrainians will have fire control over the whole Russian logistics in the south. The Ukrainian artillery fire is fierce, and in combination with the Special Operation Forces and the resistance movement, Russians will be in big trouble. On the video here, we have a Ukrainian patrol near Verbov. And let's see the other news. Now we have the footage of jet ski and small boat-mounted Ukrainian GURs, Special Operation Forces, raiding Russian-occupied Western Crimea. Ukrainian forces hit a Russian D-30 howitzer position with 155mm DPICM cluster munition fire, causing a cook-off of the stockpiled ammunition. And more destroyed Russian equipment. Ukrainian FPV kamikaze drone decided to get to know the Russian car, but for some reason after the meeting, car decided to cosplay a ghost racer, work of Ukrainian Peaky Blinders unit. In Donetsk Oblast, a Ukrainian drone slowly orbits a mildly burning Russian T-72B3 equipped with a KMT mine roller. In Verbov, Ukrainian forces hit a Russian Tu-S3 Akatsiya SPH with an M982 Excalibur guided round fired by a U.S.-supplied M777 howitzer. Special Operation Forces drone operators discovered and destroyed the latest Russian T-90M breakthrough tank in the area of Kozachi-Lageri settlement. The Kremlin reacted negatively to Simonian's idea to set off a nuclear explosion over Siberia to disable radio electronics and satellites. We haven't abandoned the norm against nuclear testing. Simonian does not work in official institutions, so her words do not reflect the official position of the Russian Federation, Russian presidential spokesman Peskov said. The Russian State Duma, parliament, also condemned her statement. You should at least apologize to all residents of Siberia, and especially to those who still suffer from the consequences of the tests at the Semipalatinsk test site, said Maria Pruskova, an MP from the Communist Party of the Russian State Duma from the Altai territory. Local authorities in Siberia also commented, well, when we reported about this in the previous video, and we said that she is an idiot, this is just a confirmation.
Я бы хотела обратиться сегодня к главному редактору телевизионной сети, функционирующей в том числе за счет бюджетных средств, Russia Today Маргарите Симонян. Маргарита, ваше высказывание о том, что ради того, чтобы ваши дети не комплексовали в школе среди сверстников из-за отсутствия у них гаджетов, вы в принципе рассматриваете возможность взрыва термоядерной бомбы над Сибирью, мы, сибиряки, восприняли как глубокое оскорбление. Хочу напомнить вам, что именно благодаря сибирякам, в том числе, победил советский народ фашизм в Великой Отечественной войне. Поэтому вы как минимум должны извиниться перед жителями всей Сибири и особенно перед теми, кто и сегодня, и на протяжении последних нескольких десятилетий страдает от последствий испытаний на Семипалатинском полигоне. Я настоятельно вам рекомендую в тех вопросах, в которых, как вы сами говорите, вы баба-дурой не разбираетесь, именно эти вопросы обсуждать на кухне, а не высказывать их в публичном пространстве.
Belgian AIFV BC-25, YPR 765 PRI, armored infantry fighting vehicle in Ukrainian service, Zaporizhia Oblast. The vaporized remains of two Russian UR-77 Meteorit Mykliks post-Ukrainian HIMARS strike south of Berezov, Donetsk Oblast.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you wanna support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.